When it comes to Forex trading, location matters. Not just where you are, but where the money moves. Today, we're diving into the top 5 countries with the most influential Forex markets and why they hold so much weight in global trading. And if you're serious about staying ahead of trends, no matter where the action is, I'll show you how tools like the Apex Trend Indicator by FX Limit can quietly level up your game behind the scenes. First on the list, the United States. This one's a no-brainer. Home to Wall Street, the world's largest financial markets, and of course, the US dollar, the most traded currency globally. What makes the US so dominant? Regulation, liquidity, and economic clout. Major financial institutions, hedge funds, and retail traders all move billions daily through the New York session. When the US economic calendar speaks like NFP reports or FOMC meetings, traders worldwide listen. If you trade during the New York session, you're right in the middle of the Forex power play. Next, we fly across the Atlantic to the United Kingdom. London isn't just a city, it's the Forex capital of the world. Around 40% of all Forex transactions pass through London. The time zone advantage means London overlaps with both Asian and North American markets, creating peak trading liquidity. And with its deep history in finance and favorable regulatory environment, it's a magnet for institutional capital. If you're monitoring price action during the London session, you're not just guessing, you're watching the market set its tone for the day. Third up, Japan. While smaller in size, Japan's influence punches way above its weight. The Japanese yen is the third most traded currency globally, and Tokyo kicks off the daily trading cycle. Asian markets look to Tokyo as a bellwether, and large corporate flows from Japan's massive export economy influence daily price movements. Not to mention, BOJ policies are known to stir up volatility, especially in JPY pairs. When trends start shifting early in the Asian session, having tools that can detect those shifts immediately, like real-time scanners, can be a game changer. At number 4, we've got Switzerland. Small country, big money. The Swiss franc is known as a safe haven currency, which means when global uncertainty rises, demand for CHF often spikes. Switzerland's political neutrality and ultra-stable banking system make it a fortress of financial safety. This causes massive inflows during times of crisis or market instability. Understanding this dynamic helps traders capitalize on risk-on versus risk-off sentiment, shifts something that becomes clear when your system shows a sudden trend reversal or volume spike on CHF pairs. And finally, we arrive at Singapore. This might surprise some traders, but Singapore is a rising star in the Forex world. Thanks to its strategic location, bridging Asia and the West, pro-business policies, and state-of-the-art tech infrastructure, it's fast becoming a hub for institutional Forex trading. Many big players are setting up shop here to capture Asian market flows, and the Monetary Authority of Singapore ensures transparency and stability. As this region's influence grows, you'll start to notice more setups and movement on SGD crosses during the Asian session. So why does all this matter? Because knowing where the action originates gives you an edge. If you're a Forex trader looking to consistently identify real opportunities, regardless of whether they start in Tokyo, London, or New York, you need more than just economic calendars. You need precision. That's where tools like the Apex Trend Indicator come in. It quietly monitors dozens of pairs and timeframes, scanning for true trend strength, not just noise. Whether you're following the dollar during a US session spike or watching for early yen moves in Asia, Apex helps make sense of the chaos. With non-repainting signals, real-time alerts, and built-in success rates, you'll know exactly when momentum shifts and when to act. Trading is global. Influence doesn't come from just one place. And as a smart trader, your edge is knowing how to follow the money no matter where it flows. Stick around with us here at FX Limit, where we bring global insights and cutting-edge tools together. Your next great trade could start in any one of these top Forex nations. The only question is, will you be ready to catch it?